Get away from me, you weirdo! Get away from me!
Run back.
Oh.
And spray.
Get away from me! Okay.
Go for it. So this is Isabella. She's going to be helping me out today. She's going to be my assistant. She's going to be spraying me, and she's ultimately going to be the recipient of the pepper spray at the end. So let's get to it.
Yeah!
All right.
Go!
Go. Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So as you can tell by the previous video, I am a proud father of a beautiful young lady, Isabella. Thank you very much for helping me out with that video. I greatly appreciate it, and I love you. And I want to thank POM for sending these products out to the channel for us to test and try out and have a little fun with. She did end up spraying me with the practice unit. It only shoots out water, but it's good that she was practicing with that because she will ultimately be receiving these two here, and I will keep the MK3 for myself, but it's good for her to practice. And the whole scenario there got me thinking about using non-lethal force and why would somebody want to do that. And well, ultimately, if you're a parent, you'll understand this, that well, your children, Isabella, my kids, they're the reasons why I would want to use lethal force for, protecting them. But they're also the reason why I would not want to, because there is a lot of baggage that goes along with using lethal force. Not just the moral issues that you have to face, but also the legal issues. You could be sued and you could face criminal prosecution, even if you're on the right side, and you could face tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars of lawyer fees and even prison time. So again, there are issues where and times where you should choose non-lethal, and that's where pepper spray comes in. And I want to thank again POM for sending these out. And you're probably asking yourself, well, why would you choose POM? Well, first of all, they are proudly made in the United States. Second of all, they use the maximum strength formulation. That's 1.40% MC, and that is lab tested and verified, and that ensures peak quality and effectiveness according to their website. I am taking that information off their website, but the fact that there are a lot of professionals out there, especially law enforcement and police, they trust and use POM products every day, so that is very important. With all that said, let's take a look at what they sent me. And first off, let's take a look at the practice unit that they sent, and that way I don't hurt myself. But as you can tell, that it has this little lift top here, and that protects you from accidental disbursement or deployment when it's in your pocket or in your purse. It does shoot out a quick burst. Izzy still has the other practice unit. She wanted to spray her boyfriend with it, which it's her boyfriend, so I kind of condoned. I'm sorry, George, but it's good for her to get to practice too. The one that she was showing off was the key here. This is the pepper spray key. This one here is going to be the pepper spray clip, and there was one other version, I can't remember what it was, but this one right here, this will connect to your keychain or lanyard using the system right here, and this one right here, this you can clip on your belt or even on your purse and have it ready to go. So both of these here, they will shoot up to 12 feet, and they will give you 20 short bursts. And if you happen to use a long burst, that will be up to 10 seconds of stream of pepper spray. Pretty good. In such a small little canister, it does hold 1/2 ounce, 1/2 fluid ounce, and I do have a bit of a large hand, and it does fit inside here. But if you're curious, it is 1 inch in diameter, and it's 3.5 inch length or tall. And you can pull that off, and I believe that color comes off. But you can replace the canister. And you do have the expiration date right here. This is good until, looks like August 2029. Always good to know the date on your pepper spray. So this does come in 10 different colors, at least the band does. You can match your nails, you can match your hair color, if you're that type of person, or you could even match your truck color. As you can see, we do have gray there and pink. This currently is $14.95 full retail, but it is, I think, 10% off. If you also buy these in multiples, you can get even bigger discount. You can buy it in 2s or 3s, and when you go to the checkout, you can buy this right here for $6.95, I believe it was. Again, go to the website just to confirm pricing. This right here, this is the MK3, and I am super excited to carry this. This is a beast of a pepper spray. So it does have a nice sturdy clip, which goes right on my belt anytime I go outside walking at night, or if I know that I'm not going to be in the best of situations or the best of parts of town, I will put this on my belt. And this is measuring out at 4.5 inches high and 1.5 inches diameter, and it holds a whopping 2.0 fluid ounces of full strength pepper spray, 1.40% MC, major, you're gonna laugh at me, major capsinades. We're just gonna say 1.40% MC. That's probably why they abbreviate it. This right here is going to give you more than 20 bursts and 90 seconds of continuous spray. And why would you want to carry this over this? Well, this has an 18-foot max range, where this has 12 feet. So you can shoot this a lot further, and it has a lot more fluid in it. It is tailored for professionals, and it is trusted by police departments nationwide. And again, you do have the expiration date on the bottom, and that is September 2029. So to answer a couple of questions that I did see the answers on their website, is pepper spray legal? Yes, it is, but check with your local municipalities for regulations. In the United States, it is legal to carry, but there are some places that restrict size and strength and even age. And then also, New York State customers, you have to purchase these in licensed gun stores or pharmacies. Imagine that. That's pretty hilarious if you ask me. How does it work? Well, capsaicin, the chemical that gives chili peppers their flavor, also causes a burning sensation in the eyes and throat when sprayed with pepper spray. It binds to the TRPV1 receptors in the eyes and respiratory system, and those receptors send signals to the brain of a burning and severe discomfort sensation. When the brain receive those signals, it automatically it forces you to close your eyes, and it is near impossible to open them. That's how pepper spray works. So there you have it. You have the POM original. We have the original in the clip, the key, and there's also the snap. That's the one you can pull off your keychain or wherever you clip it to. And we also have the MK3 stream. And I promise you I will be carrying this one around religiously, especially in this day and age. And I want to thank POM for sending these out. I greatly appreciate it. And I also appreciate you stopping in and checking out this video. If you want to support this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. And as always, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. So just put that in your pocket for the moment.
Okay, but how do I use it?
Well, we're not going to use it just yet.
Okay.
So put it in your pocket and yell at me, "Get away from me, you weirdo," or something like that.
Get away from me, you